So hi guys, due to some reasons I couldn't give the LeetCode bi-weekly contest today, and therefore I will be doing it right now. That will be a kind of virtual contest. So let's see. I think today questions were easy because I can't find any hard questions, and overall points are only 16. Okay. So the first one is distribute money to maximum children. So money all money has to be used. Everyone should $7. Now they receives $4. Okay. Okay, so let's say if money mod 8 is nothing but 4, we can have money minus minus, and we can simply return money divided by 2, 38. So it's 2 2. Okay, it would not be money minus minus. So this case we need to handle explicitly. Okay. Okay, so the number of children are also 3. Okay, so while money is greater than 0, money minus equal to 8, and say we have in count equal to 0, and children is greater than 0, children okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so somebody called me. Okay, yeah, we were doing this, and you know how to do this. So children minus minus and count plus plus. Okay, leave that. I can formulate some condition. Okay, only if money mod 8 is 4, then only we can. Okay, getting 8. This case we will be handling, and we will be returning mat.min Okay, some issues are there. I don't know why. We have 20 and 3. Okay, I can certainly check if, let's say, I can distribute this money to these many children or not. Say into money into C, say money into I. If C is greater than money, we have yeah, break only, no the things left. Say is equal to 0 if money minus C, it will be 8 into I. If money minus C isn't equal to 4, answer equal to I, and we can simply written answer. If this so 1 1, we should written 1 2. This should be okay. Now we have written 1 2. Let's try to submit it, and we have got a wrong answer. It is, we are expecting, okay, this should be -1, and okay, we have one amount of, okay, so if children is greater than money, we can return -1. 1 to -1 again. 2 and 4, 2 and 2. Okay, output is -1. Okay, again a wrong answer. 8 and 2. They were expecting 0, and yeah, we are giving them 1. Okay, I will not do that. Instead I will going with the second one, maximum greatness of an array. So we have been given a 0 index array nums, and we are allowed to permute nums into a new array perm of your choosing. We define the greatness of nums to be number of indices for which perm is greater than nums of I. Return the maximum possible greatness you can achieve after permuting nums. Now the optimal arrangement can be 2. Okay. Okay, so it seems to be a kind of easy problem based on tree maps. Say we have integer, say tm, new tree map, and let's say we fit all the values. That will be in tm.get or default x, 0 plus 1, and say count equal to 0, and for in the x in a, if tm dot contains, okay, if tm dot higher key, then x is not equal to null, and y equal to tm dot higher key x count plus plus, and tm dot put y tm dot get y -1, and if tm dot get y is 0, we will be removing this tm dot remove y and returning the count. It's so 4 and 3. Try to submit it, and it got accepted within just few seconds, I must say. So find, okay, how much the stream is long. No, it's fine. So we have given an array nums consisting of positive integers. So starting with a score 0, apply the following algorithm. Choose the smallest integer of the array that is not marked. Okay. If there is a tie, choose the one with the smallest index. Okay. At a value, choose an integer to score. Mark the chosen element and paste two adjacent element if they exist. Repeat until all the array elements are marked. Okay. Okay, so again 1 2 4. Okay, it seems to be a what to say priority queue of type integer array. Let's say pq new priority queue public and okay, new comparator of type integer array, and so public and compare int x and int y will become okay. If x0 is equal to y0, we will be comparing based on their indexes, that is x1 minus y1. Otherwise we will be doing x0 minus y0, and for int x and a we will be adding pq. Okay, it will not be x. I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and n equal to a dot length, and new int, let's say ai comma I, and it's a boolean visited, do boolean n. So while pq is not empty, here we have int temp equal to pq dot poll, and if visited of temp 0 we can continue, otherwise say our long answer is waiting here, and we will be adding this to here. It will be temp 1. Okay, now if temp of 1 minus 1 is less than greater than minus 1, and it is okay, I will make it 2. Visited of temp 1 minus 1 is true, and temp 1 plus 1 is less than n. Visited of temp 1 plus 1 is true, and we are running ans. Just so we have got 7 for this case and 5 for this case. It got accepted. Questions are easy apart from the first one, and you are given an integer array representing the ranks of some mechanics. Rank size, the rank of the ith mechanic. A mechanic with a rank r can repair n cars in r into n square minutes. R into n square minutes. You are also given an integer cars representing the total number of cars waiting in the garage to be repaired. Written the minimum time taken to repair all the cars. All the mechanics can repair the car continuously. Okay. A mechanic with a rank r can repair n cars in r into n square minutes. So there are a total of 10 cars. Okay. Okay. This seems to be a binary search question, and say where long low equal to 0 and long high is somewhere around, let's say 115. Okay, let's say 16. So while low is less than equal to high, really nothing but at least 1 minute it will require, and say long mid, very low plus high e while 2, and if check if it is possible to make ranks cars, okay, say ranks dot length and say cars and mid. Okay, so high equal to mid minus 1, else low equal to mid plus 1, and we will return the low, and say static boolean check, say int a, int n, and int cars, and int sublong mid. Now what we will do is long count equal to 0, okay, int cars is not an array, cars is just number. How many cars a mechanic can do? So r into say x into n square should be less than equal to mid. So that means n square should be less than mid by n, and n must be n by x, and n must be less than root of mid by x. It should be the number of cars is ordered to the ith mechanics depends on the root value. That is number of minutes available and divided by the rank of that mechanic. So what we will do here is, should we do the divide operation first or the root operation first? I think this divide should be done in floating point way. Say double or say long temp equal to long of mat.sqrt of mid into 1.0 and this thing divided by say x, and n minus equal to temp, and say return n less than equal to 0. Compilation error, long high, this thing is not valid. It's 4 and 5, and the answer should be 16 minutes. Okay, so the first case is 4231, and for check we must have returned a true from 12. Yeah, so let's say for 12 what would have happened. Say 12 divided by 4. Okay, 12 divided by 4 is 3, so 4 into, okay, so n cars are given to that employee or say mechanic. It will take x into n square time. So in mid time how many cars should be given to him? So x into n square must be less than mid. We know the x value, so to compute the n square must be less than mid by x. Mid by x also, let's say we know. Okay, if we remove this thing, then what would be the case? Again 4 and 5. Say mid by 12. Okay, and yeah, we have 10 cards there. So can be mid by 4 is 3 and 3 the square root is nothing but 1.7, that is around 1. So can't we give 2 cards to our like the first, say, mechanic? 4 into 1 and 4 into 4 will be 16. You can give only 1 card to him, and okay, let's try to print it 600 out. If mid is less than, say, 12. For 4 we have 1, for 2 we have 2, and for 3 we have 1, and for 1 we have 2. So the answer is n must be less than equal to 0. Some problem is there. Okay, so because and the answer is 16,16. Yeah, that is the required one. We were just missing the simple variable. Okay, runtime error. Okay, this is some local limit +1 and out of range to power 53. Why to power 53 they are giving out of range? Let's analyze it to 1 power 14. Okay. Okay. Let's say we have something like this. Yeah, it got accepted. Let's see where we are. We are at 104 rank. Okay. Yeah, that was for